Using the My Shortcuts feature on the LG ThinQ app. If you are using the LG ThinQ app, you can use the My Shortcuts feature for various purposes. If you add features that you often use, such as notices and updates or FAQ to My Shortcuts, you can use them right from the home screen. Let's find out how to use the My Shortcuts feature. Editing My Shortcuts. Select My Shortcuts on the home screen. Tap the top right pencil-shaped icon to add or delete shortcuts. You can change the order of the shortcut list by tapping and holding the icon on the right. Tips for using the My Shortcuts feature. Add notices and updates to My Shortcuts. To receive various benefits provided on the app and product-related tips. You can also add FAQ to My Shortcuts to look for answers to questions you might have when using the ThinQ app.